Hello and welcome to Royal Vibes. Meghan and Harry documentary sparks new law for Netflix regulation amid accuracy concerns. Rishi Sunak has taken the step following criticism of the documentary for supposedly misleading viewers in some scenes. Lauren says she got bored during the Harry and Meghan documentary. So guys, before we get right into it, please do ensure to subscribe, turn on the post bell notification to always stay notified whenever I post a new video. Consider liking the video and please watch right up to the very end. Under a proposed law, broadcasting regulator Ofcom will be given new powers to regulate Netflix and other streaming services for the first time amid media questioning about the accuracy of the Harry and Meghan documentary. Michelle Donnellan, the culture secretary, is hoping to bring forward the media bill next year to give Ofcom new legal powers to regulate streaming services not based in the UK. Ofcom would also be allowed to impose fines for up to £250,000 or an amount up to 5% of their revenue, whichever would be higher. On Saturday, certain Conservative MPs said they welcomed the government's plans to regulate streaming platforms and added it could put a stop to any future misleading statements. Bob Seeley, the Conservative MP for the Isle of Wight, said, "I do think on principle that Netflix and other video streaming services should have the same ethical standards as other broadcasters like the BBC." In the trailer for Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's documentary, the royals are accused of misleading viewers with footage and photographs that were not connected to the Sussexes. One black and white photograph in the documentary trailer appears to show Prince Harry and Meghan Markle being photographed by the press, as it shows photographers holding long lenses pointing at what appears to be the couple. The photograph was actually from the London premiere of the final Harry Potter film in 2011, 5 years before Prince Harry and Meghan met, and the press were taking photographs of celebrities walking down a red carpet. Another shot from the trailer appears to show the press attempting to chase Prince Harry and Meghan, but turned out to be footage of reality star Katie Price outside of court in 2021 after she had been sentenced for drink driving. Ingrid Seward, editor-in-chief of Majesty magazine, said, "The inaccurate photograph undermines the validity of what Prince Harry and Meghan are trying to say. It makes them the object of ridicule. If you are going to criticize the monarchy, you have to make sure everything you say or do is absolutely correct." Tim Lawton, the Conservative MP for East Worthing and Shoreham, said the documentary has used highly questionable editing and it should be regulated the same way British broadcasters such as the BBC would be. He said they should be subject to the same criteria. That's the problem with anything that's now streamed or anything that's now available on the internet. They are not subject to the same punishing criteria as if it were a hard copy or in the terrestrial media. Under the new legislation, streaming platforms would have to feature warnings or disclaimers over controversial content. The plan to regulate streaming platforms was first proposed by Nadine Dorries, the former culture secretary, and was scheduled to be debated during the current parliamentary session. It has been reported by The Telegraph that the government has accepted proposals from Michelle Donnellan, the current culture secretary, to carry on the legislation. A Netflix spokesman said the company was supportive of the measures to update the legal framework and bring our service in the UK under Ofcom's jurisdiction. The spokesman did not comment on the claims of inaccuracy directed at Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's documentary. So guys, with that we have come to an end of this episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, bye bye.